The success of Domino's Pizza can be attributed to several factors. 1. Innovative delivery model. Domino's pioneered the concept of delivery pizza, revolutionizing the way people ordered and consumed pizza. 2. Focus on convenience. Domino's emphasized convenience, offering easy ordering, fast delivery, and a user-friendly experience. 3. Consistent quality. Domino's maintained consistent quality across locations, building trust with customers. 4. Aggressive expansion. Strategic expansion into new markets and countries helped Domino's become a global brand. 5. Marketing and advertising. Effective marketing campaigns, such as the 30 minutes or less guarantee, created brand awareness and drove sales. 6. Adaptation to changing consumer preferences. Domino's embraced technology, introducing online ordering, mobile apps, and digital payment options to stay ahead of the competition. 7. Strong brand identity. Domino's developed a recognizable brand image, with a distinctive logo, color scheme, and branding. 8. Franchising model. Domino's successful franchising model allowed for rapid expansion while maintaining quality control. 9. Continuous improvement. Domino's invested in research and development, introducing new products and services to stay competitive. 10. Customer focus. Domino's prioritized customer satisfaction, implementing feedback mechanisms and loyalty programs to build a loyal customer base.